Welcome to the HONOR X5c channel. Today I will show you how to change the screen recording quality on the HONOR X5c Plus. So first open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and press this little gear button. Now in settings, scroll down to find accessibility features. Here is the screen recording menu. So you can adjust system sound and video quality from here. Let's change our video quality to a higher one. So now your screen recordings will take a little bit more space, but also be higher quality. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HONOR X5c channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.